GotoProxy are actually free, but I still need to show you how to get connected with it. Now, this platform allows you also check this proxy before using it. Everything about this particular GotoProxy is actually free. So right here, when you come over to this interface, you can see we have the home, privacy tools, proxy providers, anti-detect browser, free proxy, proxy checker, and blog. Now I'm going to be walking you through all this process right here and what these subsections are for. Okay, so but before we proceed with this video, if you're coming across the channel for the first time or you're hearing this voice for the first time, this is the voice of Joachim. So what I do right on this platform is to leverage online, make reviews, and also show you what works in the online space. Now if this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. Now with that being said, let's dive into today's tutorial. Now when you come right here, you can see this advert that is saying free 10 profiles. Now on my previous video, I made an explanation about a Bit browser, how you can get connected with a Bit browser and also using the free vouchers. Now lucky viewers on this channel actually got some vouchers for themselves and also got free proxies for themselves. Now this video, I'm also going to be showing you how you can get free proxy without any voucher or any other additional stress to it. So you can see right here we have the home. So I'm going to be walking you through this process right here. Now you can see the advert that are moving, that we have IP, we have smart proxy and the likes of it. Now when you come right here, you can see where it says top 10 best known proxy right here, providers 2025. So what you can actually do right here, you can see industrial leading providers with proven track records trusted by Fortune 500 companies worldwide. Now these are best known proxy for providers 2025. So what I'm going to do right now is to show you and walk you through how to navigate through this platform. Now you can see right here we have free proxies, so we can come right here and click on the free proxy. But before that, let's take a look at the anti-detect browser. Now we often know what anti-detect browser does. It actually allows you create multiple accounts on a particular device, just like the way we have it on a Bit browser. So you can see we have some of them right here. You can see this particular one. Most of you might have heard of Go Login and Delphin Anti and Multi Login. So these are some anti-browsers and anti-detect browser you can actually go for. But right now, this video is specifically for free proxy. So we are heading over to the free proxy right here. Now to get started with this particular free proxy, you don't actually have to create an account on this platform, because we are coming right here to get this free proxy for our surveys or any other things we do online. So what I'm going to do is to come down to the free proxy right here, and it's going to load up the interface for us right here. Now this is how the interface look like. Now when you come right here, you are going to be seeing IPs you can actually get right here. Now you can see right here we have the proxy type, we have the country, we have the IPs. That is if you actually want to search for a specific IP. So what you're going to be doing right now is to come right here. You can see we have the one for Brazil, we have the one for England, and so many other countries right here. So what you can actually do is to select which one you want to go for. Now when you take a look at this, you can actually see that all these protocols are SOCKS 4. Now how do you get SOCKS 5 on this proxy? Because most of the SOCKS we use on our surveys are residential proxy on SOCKS 5. Now to get your SOCKS 5, you're going to come right to where you can actually see the source right here. So you come right under source, you're going to be seeing a lot of proxy right here. So what we're actually going for is SOCKS 5. Now you see that when you go right here and click on any of these, it's going to display for you. Now let's say we're actually going for the SOCKS 5 right here. Just go ahead to click on the SOCKS 5. Now the moment you come right here and select the SOCKS 5, it's going to load up all SOCKS 5 proxy for you. Now you can see right here that what we have right here are for the SOCKS 5. You can see we have the GB, we have the Japan, Brazil, and so many other countries right here. Now how do you make use of this proxy? So what you just have to do is to come right here and copy anyone you actually want to go for. Now this is the IP address and this is the port you're to use for this IP. So what we are going to be doing right now is to copy this one for the United Kingdom. So you can go further to select anyone, or you can come right here to make use of these tools right here. So when you come right here, you can see we have all protocols. You can come right here to select SOCKS 5 as well. You can see it right here, and you can come right here to select the country of which you want to focus on. We have the United Kingdom and so many other countries right here. You can see right here that we have this specified one for SOCKS 5. So what you can actually do is to come right here and copy, and the particular time it was updated will be shown right here. You are going to be seeing 2 minutes or recently posted. So let's say we click on all proxy right here and we come right here. You are going to be seeing all the proxy right here. Now once you come right to a specific country, it's going to be displaying a specific country for you. So once you come under all countries, it's going to be displaying everything you need to know under this particular surface. So every IPs that are available will be displayed to you on this particular surface. So as you can see right here that this particular first one was added 2 minutes ago, the second one was added 2 minutes ago. So you can see that right here. So the minutes and the hours they were posted will be shown to you. So what we are going to be doing is to select this first one you're seeing right here. So you are going to copy right here. Click on the copy. Remember I said I'll be showing you how to check if this proxy is actually perfect, as we have the proxy checker still on this platform. So you're going to click on proxy checker and it's going to bring you over to this interface. So what you're going to be doing is to come right here and paste what you have. Okay, so we are going to click on Ctrl+C and paste this. Now this is actually your port. The fourth last digit is your port. You are going to copy this as well. The moment you copy this, you backspace and also take out the column, then come right here and paste your port. Okay, so the moment you paste your port, come right here and select the type, which is the SOCKS 5 proxy, right? So right here you can see username is optional and password also is optional. So we are actually checking our proxy, right? So click on test proxy. Now the moment you click on text proxy, just come down right here and you're going to be and see the result of this text right here. See the test result of this particular one we just checked. You can see it right here, which says proxy test result. So you can see proxy right here and you can see the status right here, which says working. So this proxy is actually good to go. You can start using this proxy for your surveys. Okay, so you can see right here that response time is actually 4,879 ms. So you can see right here, this is the IP address and this is the country, which is the United States, and this is the city, which is Miami, and this is the region, which is Florida, and also this is the ISP organization and the time zone and coordinate and also the anonymity right here. So these are all you can actually get on this platform. You can see that you can get your proxy and also get to check this proxy. Now the moment you come right here, you need to understand how this proxy right here works. So you can see where it says free proxy checker 2025 test free proxy list and services. Now I will advise you to also study proxy detection and location, so you get to know how to use proxy and what to do when you have issues on your proxy. Right here you can see advanced IP geolocation technology. Our free proxy checker utilizes multiple premium IP detection service to provide accurate geolocation data, including country, city, region, ISP, time zone, and coordinates. So you can also come right here and see the real-time free proxy speed testing. So your proxy needs to be checked. You need to understand how proxy works for you to get best results. Experience lightning fast free proxy speed test results with our advanced continuity connectivity analysis. So you can see right here that we have bulk proxy testing, which means you can actually do a bulk proxy validation right on this platform. As it says, our bulk proxy checker allows testing hundreds of proxy simultaneously with detailed success rate and performance metric. Now when you come right here, you can also see advanced anonymity verification. Okay, anonymity verification, you can come right here and see that for yourself. 100% free tools right on this platform, no registration limit, no hidden cost, completely free to use. So you can go ahead to start using this particular website to get your free proxy. Remember that proxies like this are not that strong compared to the one that is paid. But right here, when you come right here, you can see where it says the professional developers and features. Our proxy checker API provides advanced features including automated testing, webhook and integration, and detailed logging for developers and business. This comprehensive proxy verification tools includes browsing console and debugging and the likes of it. Now what I will also advise you do is to come right to this particular proxy checker to check some of the proxy you get on other sites to see if it's actually working. So right here you can see I got this proxy for free and I also did a check and I got this result. So you can see that it is actually easy to process right on this platform. So what you can actually do is to use the link on the pinned comment section, or you go through this website to get your free proxy and also make sure you check the proxy. Another benefit you can get from this platform is to go over to the blog, and you're also going to be getting some information about IP usage and how to go about it. Now this is all you can get from this particular website and how to leverage properly on this website. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you understood and got much value from this video. And if you have any question, please feel free to drop your comment and I'll be glad to give a response to it. However, with the benefits you've gotten from this video, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. It is always advisable you join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, where I want giveaways and also show you some specific ways you can use to boost your online earnings in today's world. So see you on my next video and always keep winning.